light. Yeah, if they look like that, you should probably stay off the freeway, don't you think?
Nah, you could probably another 10,000 miles out of this.
Woo, toasty. Well, that was new this morning, right? What's that, 15 laps?
Yeah, about 15.
Nice. All right, what brand is that?
This is a Lexani.
A Lexani?
Yeah, Amazon's finest, $68 a tire.
Damn, that's a good deal. Right down to the core. So you say at night it throws sparks?
Yes.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Sparks on a night event. Unfortunately, it's not a night event, but it's pretty cool.
Next time.